Funny Videos. Happy New Year! Hope you had a great start for 2020. Today I'm bringing you a new craft, paper weaving. I thought this was a neat craft because it doesn't include many supplies. You can make this at school or at home with your friends, and you can make different designs with different colors. Here are the supplies you're going to need. A sheet of construction paper, a pencil, an eraser if you make any mistakes, a glue stick, a ruler, a pair of scissors, and 1 by 9 inch strips. You need 1 by 9 inch because each square is exactly 1 by 1. You can use 2 colors so you can make different patterns and designs. You can use as many colors as you want and change the length and height of your strips. The first step is you're going to need to make a 1 by 1 square. You can make them like only halfway so you can make diagonal and designs. The first step is going to be to leave 1/2 inch of your paper on the top and then draw a line. Now you're going to leave another 1 inch and then draw another line. Now you're going to draw horizontal lines connecting the 2 lines. But make sure they're exactly 1 inch apart because we're trying to make 1 inch blocks. On the last line you've made, you need to make a crease. So you can fold it in half to make cuts. Now you're going to fold it in half from the first line you made to the second line. Now you need a scissor and you need to cut on the horizontal lines you've made. And keep going all the way down. Done. Here are my holes that I've made. Now I'm going to take one of our strips and weave them through our holes. You can choose your favorite color. It's sometimes hard to put it through because you haven't cut far enough. And keep going all the way down. I've woven my pink strip down. Now on the ends, we're going to need to glue them down so they don't move and come out. You need to make sure you align it and don't go too far or too over the line. You can cut remaining scraps of paper on the sides if they're there. You just need to keep repeating this step over and over again, and you can choose which pattern you want to make. The first pattern I've made is alternating. And then the second pattern I made are diagonal lines. So you can choose which one you make and depend where your blocks are going to show on your piece of paper. When I started weaving, I realized that these are kind of like a placemat and then these are kind of like coasters, so I made these mini ones. And you can put them on your dining table when guests come over, but you make sure to laminate them. Otherwise, they're going to get all wet and soggy. Hope you enjoyed my craft. Please tell me if you have any other designs or patterns you have made up. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.